Subtracting integers. What did 0 say to the 8? Nice belt. Today's lesson is subtracting integers. The Indiana Academic Standard is 7.2.1 because we're subtracting integers. When we subtract integers, we're going to remember a phrase. Same, change, opposite. The first integer is going to stay the same. You're going to change subtraction to addition and use the opposite of the second integer. So to subtract an integer, add its opposite. So 2 minus 5 is the same as 2 plus negative 5. 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3. 2 minus negative 5 is the same as 2 plus 5, which is 7. A minus b is the same as a plus negative b. A minus negative b is the same as a plus b. Yesterday in class we used integer chips to help us solve these problems. Today we're just going to be using pencil and paper to solve the problems. Let's take a look at example 1. Negative 7 minus negative 5. Remember, same, change, opposite. So we have negative 7 plus positive 5. Negative 7 plus positive 5 is negative 2. For example number 2, we have 2 minus 6. Again, same, change, opposite. So we have 2 plus negative 6. Signs are different, so we're going to subtract. We know that it's going to be 4. We have more negatives than positive, so our answer is negative 4. 2 plus negative 6 equals negative 4. Pause the video at this time if you need to copy any of the notes down. Now let's take a look at a story problem. An airplane left Houston, Texas, where the temperature was 42 degrees Fahrenheit. When the airplane landed in Anchorage, Alaska, the temperature was 50 degrees lower. What was the temperature in Anchorage? We're going to take 42 minus 50. We'll use our same change opposite, so we end up with 42 plus negative 50. Since the signs are different, we're going to subtract. 50 minus 42 is 8. We have more negatives, so it's negative 8. So the temperature in Anchorage was negative 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Try quick check 1A, B, and C on your own. Pause the video. When you're finished, go ahead and start it again and check your work. For 1A, you have negative 7 minus negative 2. We have to do same change opposite. Negative 7 plus positive 2 gives us negative 5. For 1B, negative 4 minus negative 3. Again, same change opposite. Negative 4 plus positive 3 gives us negative 1. And for C, negative 8 minus negative 5. Same change opposite. Negative 8 plus positive 5 gives us negative 3. Now try 2A, B, and C. Again, pause the video, check your work once you're finished. Again, we're going to use same change opposite. We have 4 minus 8. That would be 4 plus negative 8. 4 plus negative 8 is negative 4. For B, we have negative 1 minus 5. Negative 1 plus negative 5 is negative 6. And finally for C, negative 2 minus negative 7. Same change opposite, negative 2 plus positive 7 gives us positive 5. Pause the video at this time if you need to copy any of the notes down. Try the last set of examples on your own. Try 3A, B, C, and D. Pause the video right now so that you can work these problems out and check your work when you're finished. For 3A, 32 minus negative 3. Same change opposite. 32 plus positive 3 gives you 35. For 3B, negative 40 minus 66. Same change opposite. Negative 40 plus negative 66 gives you a total of negative 106. For 3C, 2 minus 48. Same change opposite. 2 plus negative 48 equals negative 46. Now the story problem about weather. The lowest temperature ever recorded on the moon was about negative 170 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica was negative 89 degrees Celsius. Find the difference in the temperatures. So we're going to take negative 89 minus negative 170. Again, we're going to use same change opposite. So we end up with negative 89 plus positive 170 equals 81. So the difference in temperature was 81 degrees Celsius. Pause the video at this time if you're not finished copying down the notes. And don't forget, you have to have a question for class tomorrow. So if you haven't written a question down, you better do so now, because I'm going to ask you about it in class. Nice belt.